Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing these acrylic paint Flysea 24-piece markers. Now they claim to mark anything, and we're going to test that. I want to quickly in this review, number one, test the quality of the colours to make sure they're true to what they advertise. Number two, do a surface test on a variety of different surfaces. And number three, I'm going to do a value for money review based on whether I think these are worth the $30 I paid for them. Alright, here is a guitar surface tester on a hard guitar case. As you can see, the colours are really bright and vibrant. I did find that if you apply two different colours together at the same time, the colours do bleed together a little bit. If that's an effect you want, it will work really well. Otherwise, I'd recommend waiting for them to dry in between. I did notice if you wanted to paint a solid colour, it can be a bit translucent. So you can see that with this orange, it's a little bit translucent. Alright, this is my fanny pack. I've been wearing this non-stop since I painted it, and I found that nothing really has scraped off, which has been awesome. The only thing I would say is the yellow that I painted on here is a bit translucent, which is really annoying. But then when you look at the aqua, it's a solid colour. So the colours do vary in their quality for some reason. Alright, I'm going to do a test on these colours. Got some greens and the gold, which I haven't tried out yet. And we're going to try them on these rubber shoes to see what happens. So that's the end result. The paint doesn't seem to come off at all. Yeah, I think it looks pretty jazzy now. Alright, here I've done it on a glass. I think this could be a cool way to jazz up your glasses for a wedding or a baby shower or something. It stays on pretty firm. If you scratch it enough, it can scratch off, so it doesn't have to be there forever. In summary, I'd say these pens are pretty cool in regards to how many surfaces they can attack. I think I want to do my car next. I just did my mum's cup. I think I'm getting pretty addicted. Addicted to painting surfaces. Yeah! As you can see, some of the colours work really well. I would just say the ones that I think don't look that good is this one, the pink. It could be a lot brighter. That, I would say they all look pretty true to what they're advertising. I just would like to see these colours a bit more bright, especially the yellow. There's not much of a variety. There's a really nice lemon yellow, but the warm yellow does not look warm at all. It kind of just looks washed out. So yeah. Just these two. Other than that, I'd say they're all pretty true to what they're advertising. So I bought these Flysea acrylic painters on eBay for 30 Australian dollars. The postage was, I think it was free, so it didn't cost me anything. I would say it's a pretty good price, despite the fact that some of the colours aren't true to what they say they are. But overall, they're pretty good quality. They paint on most surfaces, and yeah, they're a really fun thing to jazz up anything in your house that maybe needs a little bit of colour. I hope you guys have enjoyed my review and had a bit of an insight into these amazing pens. I definitely recommend you go on eBay and go and buy some. I'm going to leave links below for that. And if you liked this review and liked my video and thought I was awesome, then please give me a thumbs up so that I can make cool other videos. Bye!